I had this idea, as I mentioned when I was in grade school, maybe we should put telescopes in space. I didn't know at the time that a fairly famous astronomer, Simon Spitzer, had written a paper in 1946 where he said, it'd be a really good idea to put a big telescope in space. And that paper led to the vision that ultimately did become the Hubble Space Telescope. And so I know that when we were actually in orbit with Hubble, beginning the operations to deploy it, I was definitely thinking about how far we had come from Dr. Spitzer's paper, that now we have this big telescope in space and we're going to start using it to revolutionize our understanding of the universe. So I think I really appreciated the significance of that moment, even though we were only a small part of the whole effort to get Hubble into orbit. Um, I remember thinking the things that I thought scientifically Hubble could do. And now looking back on it 37 years later, or whatever it is that right? 36, I guess. I was probably too conservative in thinking about the discoveries that we would be able to make. And so, yeah, it was such a privilege to have been, a small part of that.